For this game, you will need a paper cup, a straw or a stick, tape, string, and a pom-pom or a small ball. Begin by poking a hole in your cup. You can use scissors or a sharp pointed pencil. If you're using a paper cup, sometimes a sharp pointed pencil is easiest and safest. Push your straw through the hole that you made in the bottom of your cup. If you have a bendy straw, put the bendy part to the inside of the cup. Use a piece of tape to fasten your straw into your cup. If you have a bendy straw, again, this can be a little easier. The bend in the straw gives you a spot to put the tape on and securely fasten it to the bottom of your cup. Put the tape on, push the straw in, push down firmly, and you'll see it tapes in nicely. Next, you'll want to attach the pom-pom and the string to each other. It's easy to just tie a simple knot around the pom-pom, or you can do a slightly fancier knot if you are so inclined. Once you have the pom-pom firmly attached to the string, tie the string around your straw. Again, if you want to use a simple knot here, you can, or you can use a more complicated knot. The important part is to attach your string to the bottom of the cup and your stick. You'll want to reinforce that string to the bottom of the cup, whether you use a knot or just use tape. You'll want to make sure that the string doesn't slide up and down your straw or your stick while you're trying to play with the toy. So a little bit of tape on the string to keep it in place will help it be more fun to play with. And there you have it. This very simple toy is ready. Your goal is to flip your ball or your pom-pom up and catch it in your cup. There's two happy young scouts who have managed to catch their ball. Congratulations, ladies.